3, 2, 1.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Hey beautiful people, so hope you're enjoying this room tour. I must say the room is absolutely gorgeous. This video does not do it any justice. Do you guys see the color coordination, the aesthetics? And there's something that I gotta point out, guys. Did you guys see that there are 2 closet spaces? Yeah, there are 2 closet spaces, and that is perfect. If it's just for couples or if you're sharing room with 3 people or more, there is enough space to pack out your stuff if you're a person that packs out on vacation. Just everything about this room is just so sleek. I hope you guys continue to enjoy this video, and wait guys until we reach upstairs. You're going to be blown away.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort.
So guys, as you can see, this rooftop junior suite, it is perfect, it is gorgeous, the view is amazing, and the tub is super amazing. I really want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't as yet. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching.
Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara live om